Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Ohto Blooom. I think there's a couple extra O's in there for Bloom. And this is a 3-in-1 multi-pen. It's got 2 pens and then a pencil option. And in this case, we have a stylish orange one. Alright. So, it's got a metal body. And it doesn't feel too bad. It's a very slim pen. So let's see. And it's gravity. Ooh. So it has like the small points for these. I think these are 0.7 millimeter. So this is the Ohto Blue. How many O's? 3 O's in Bloom. Ohto Blooom 3-in-1, and the release mechanism is this little thing that pops up on the clip. And we have red, the Ohto Blooom 3-in-1, and then we have the pencil. Ohto Blooom 3-in-1, and there should be an eraser under here. Ah, there is. Not bad. So let's see. That was weird. Alright. So this runs, I want to say about 25 bucks. On Amazon. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. So it's not a bad pen. It's got a brass body, and it's very thin and slim for a multi-pen. And let's see. So it unscrews right here. And refill wise, it looks like a D1. Not positive though. Let's see if it says it on in here anywhere. Make sure you look at the link. I think this is a D1 refill, but I'm not positive. I gotta look it up and make sure. Okay, I like the pen though. I like the whole slim multi-pen thing. And I mean, the color's amazing. Sort of a orangey-ish color. Okay. I like the pen. It feels pretty solid. And I like the slim multi-pens, because if you're carrying this as your pen, you have a black and a red ink available as well as the pencil. So if you got that stuff covered, and I like the size. I mean, like the whole thin, slim form factor is pretty nice. Anyway, let me know what you think. Also, do you like the color? I kind of think it's growing on me. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.